gonna be like Wayne's World. Extreme close-up. Whoa!
Josh said here, Foolhardy Photography, George O'Connor Photography, and we decided to do a shoot to emulate Platon. If you don't know who Platon is, look him up, but make sure you look up Platon photographer, otherwise you're going to get a famous philosopher, and that's not what we're talking about here. If you don't know who Platon is, and maybe you do, maybe you don't, he's a very famous photographer, shoots celebrities, famous people.
Political figures.
Yeah, presidents. He did Gaddafi.
Vladimir Putin.
So it's a huge list of very famous people that he's taken shots of. And he uses a Hasselblad and an umbrella.
And one light.
Exactly, one light. And we're like, we can do that. We have a Hasselblad and we have one light. And I have an umbrella.
And a white backdrop.
So yeah, we decided to do that. We did it at a friend's place. Kind of a ghetto setup, but you know, it was what we had, and you can take a look. So let's get to that.
Pretending to be Platon. I'm gonna copy his pictures.
Check out this umbrella. Bent. So it's all bent and stuff. You think you got a lot of good use out of it, but it just sort of sat on a shelf and was probably crushed by stuff. So, you know, I think this is the first time, or no, it's probably like the second time it's actually been used for a photo shoot.
I used it.
Oh, he used it, so it's the third time.
For a test shoot. Test it out on the digital, so we know we're good. And then we can move to the Hasselblad. Got at the camera. No, it's okay actually.
Yeah?
Yeah. Should we start shooting then?
I think so, yeah.
Pretending to be Platon.
Yeah.
Alright.
Apparently Platon has a box that a lot of people have sat on.
An apple box.
Some sort of box. Is it an apple box?
That's what they call them, but it's not really like an apple box.
So there's never really apples in it?
No.
What?
One thing that I've seen him do is he sits on the floor next to his subject and talks to him, so that's what I'm going to do now. Blah 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 blah. So it's pretty expensive. This is the Hasselblad 500 cm, same camera which Platon uses. Got it preloaded with some film because it's a bit old school, it doesn't take memory cards. Has these little memory things.
These are like memory films or something, right?
The picture goes on it and it remembers what it is, but you can't put it in the light, otherwise it forgets what the picture was, which is really stupid. Like, not on the digital cameras, you can take the memory card in and out and it always remembers what the picture is, but these ones forget if you put it in the light, which is really stupid, but it's old technology, so that's what we got to deal with it.
Plus you have to pay to see the memory on it, don't you?
Yeah, can't look at it on the computer, you have to take it to some special guy with chemicals and explosion things.
And then you can see the memory.
Yeah.
Oh, crazy.
And then the thing with these cameras is you can just take the back off like that and change. I've only got 3 backs. Platon's got loads of them anyway, and he just swaps and changes through the middle of the shoot, and that's what we're going to do. So I've got three backs loaded already with some of these memory films. This one's got Kodak Portra, and then this one's got Ilford black and white Super 400, XP2 Super 400. The next is we need to decide which lens to use. This is kind of considered to be the trinity for medium format lenses, because zoom lenses aren't really so popular because they're really fucking expensive. So we've got a 50mm, an 80mm and a 150mm lens. So the interesting thing about the Hasselblad lenses, whereas a normal camera has all of you change the shutter speed and the aperture on the camera, this all goes through the lens, so you have your shutter speed there, and your aperture there. And this button here you can press and it changes them both together at the same time.
Wow.
The shutter, Hasselblad has these leaf shutters in the middle of the lens.
Nice.
And then we can check the light here where Manny's going to be sitting. Oh, that's saying f11.6. That's how you do it the old school way. It won't let you take a picture unless you take this dark slide out. And
Safety mechanism.
Yeah, it protects the film.
That as well.
When you don't have it on the back, it keeps the light out so it doesn't forget the pictures. But I always forget to take it out. Right, let's go. There we go.
Boom, we got one.
Alright, let's just try it. There we go. Yeah, got it. F11.6. Alright, let's just try.
So good.
So fucking good.
Yeah, amazing.
Yes. It's gonna be like Wayne's World. Extreme close up.
Whoa.
Can you fizz your beer up again?
It is.
Perfect.
That's a Platon.
I'm not sure.
That's a mad Platon right there.
I'm just gonna wait until you start laughing.
Fuck off.
I'm still waiting.
I just did laugh.
It's not laughing enough though.
Fuck that. We're not gonna laugh more now because now I'm all fucking all laughed out.
Got it!
Awesome.
That's it.
And hopefully,
Ooh,
I don't knock everything over. First of all, and hopefully those photos turn out.
That was a fucking disaster.
Yeah, it wasn't simple. I think I had a few beers. So we took the pictures. You saw how we took the pictures. If you want to see, some of the pictures posted, you can check out Instagram. You can check out his Instagram or my Instagram. They're both there. You can compare them to, Platon's images that you can find online pretty easily. You just type in his name and type photographer, and boom, lots of pictures that he's done. And for that, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
By the way, I'm open for commissions. Thank you.